Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a review, and today I'm going to be reviewing products from the iWORI Beauty Africa line. I'm going to review 3 of their products: the shampoo, the conditioner, as well as the leave-in. I know they do have masks, but that will be a completely separate video. So today I'm going to review 3 of their products in the categories that I review all products in. I'm going to start with the packaging, then the price, move on to the application, then the quality and size, and lastly the results. But before we get into that, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. Before we get into the review, I'm going to be reviewing the Marula line from the iWORI line, and as I said earlier, I'll just be talking about the shampoo, conditioner, as well as the leave-in conditioner. Now let's start off with the packaging. This is what the packaging looks like, and it's very boring. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat this. This is gray with a little bit of brown. The colors of the product that come through on the bottle are not very pleasing or, eye-catching in the hair care aisle. I do kind of like the theme of the product line. I'm not very happy with the colors, but let's look at what's written on the packaging. So here I have the shampoo and the conditioner, and this is the conditioner in my hand. It says Marula Organic African Marula. It's silicone free, and it also says it's a curl protection conditioner that promises to nourish, smooth and enhance curls, and it's for curly or damaged hair. And on the shampoo, it basically has exactly the same information on it as well. And at the back there's lots and lots of information on the brand. What I really like on the packaging is the story. It says it's handpicked by women from rural communities in northern Namibia. iWORI uses organic African marula oil that is sustainably sourced, and it goes on and on. So the fact that it's proudly African is something that's really nice. A bonus for this particular brand, and on the packaging it tells us no silicones, no sulfates, no phthalates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no petroleum, no animal testing, and I'm going to put all of that in the description as well. When it comes to the leave-in, on the packaging it tells us that it hydrates and enhances shine for soft hair and defined curls, it controls frizz, and it's for curly or damaged hair as well. So overall, when it comes to packaging, I don't really care for this type of packaging, but as I said, I do like the theme of it. So the rating I'm going to give this for packaging is 2.5 out of 5. That's 2.5 curls. Now let's talk about the price, because we know it's all about that money. I bought these products myself. These are the full size products at Clicks Curls. I did go over to the stall and I got the really small sample sizes. So some of you might have that, but these are the full sizes, and as I said, I bought it myself at Clicks. The shampoo and conditioner, they both cost 119 Rand and 99 cents. The leave-in, on the other hand, cost 129 Rand and 99 cents. So basically, when I look at the prices, I just have my receipts with me here. We have 119 Rand and 129 Rand. The leave-in is more expensive than the shampoo and the conditioner. Not really sure why, but I guess as a brand they know why they did that. So everything is kind of just over 100 Rand. I think that it's okay. So the rating I'm going to give it for price is 3 out of 5. That's 3 curls. Application. I'm going to start off with the shampoo. Now, I like the texture and consistency of all 3 products, and when I used the shampoo the first time, it comes out like a cream, and I'm just going to show you guys. It's thick and it's very cream based, and even if I rub it together, it's just thick and creamy. And so I applied it on my hair in the shower, and I was like, this is like a co-wash, this is not a shampoo. But then once I kind of went under the shower and my hair got some water, it got a nice foam, and I was pleasantly surprised. It was a nice experience, because in my head I was like, this brand is lying, this is a co-wash, it's not a shampoo. But it really is a shampoo. It has a nice consistency, and it's very hydrating, and I think that the moisture factor across all 3 was very nice for me. The smell of the shampoo, it has a very subtle smell, and I don't smell marula, but then again, when it comes to smell, we all smell different things, and I get a little bit of a hint of vanilla. I don't know if there's vanilla in here. But it doesn't smell alcoholic for those people who might be worried about the smell. It smells very nice. I like the texture, and the application for the shampoo was very nice, and it rinsed out easily as well. The conditioner, I really don't like the color. It's not very, pleasing on the eye, but the conditioner was also very nice to use as well. It's a brown color, smells just like the shampoo, has a much lighter consistency, but when your hair is soaking wet and you apply this in the shower, it makes detangling so easy. It's a very nice conditioner. Something that I didn't like about the shampoo and conditioner was basically just the bottles that they were in, because if I have to show you after squeezing, we all know when this happens, you're in the shower, your hands are wet, kind of makes it a bit difficult to get more product out of it, but the application of the conditioner was also very nice. Finally is the leave-in cream, and I have the leave-in in my hair at the moment now. I've just refreshed my hair, so if my hair is looking a little bit wet and flat, that's kind of the reason why. This is my favorite product. I'll talk about that in the application. I really like this leave-in conditioner. It's white. It's not too heavy as a leave-in conditioner, but it's creamy enough for my type of hair that it really coats the curls. The application of this leave-in conditioner I really like. Once you apply it onto your hair, it starts curl definition. Most leave-in conditioners, you put them on your hair, they soak into your hair very nicely, but this is one leave-in conditioner that it really does coat your curls nicely. It moisturizes it almost instantly, and it gives it that instant curl definition as well before you put on the styler. So as I said, I have it in my hair and I find it to be very hydrating. So overall guys, when it comes to application, I'm going to give all three of them 4 out of 5. That's 4 curls. Now let's talk about the quality and size. And the quality for all three of them, it contains Marula. Marula is very good for your hair and natural hair as well. It contains Marula oil. There's no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, and all of that stuff. So when it comes to the quality, I really do like the quality of it. When it comes to the size, I'm going to start off with the conditioner. This is 400 milliliters. The shampoo is 400 milliliters as well, and the leave-in is 200 millimeters. So I think the sizes are fine. I really like the quality, so the rating I'm going to give it for quality and size is 4 out of 5. That's 4 curls. Finally, let's talk results very quickly. When it comes to the shampoo, for those of you who co-wash, you're really gonna like this. For some of the ladies that like a shampoo, you might find this to be a little bit light for you, but it does do a very good clean and a very good cleanse. If you're somebody who really likes shampoos that foam up, you might want to use this a bit just to get used to it and to allow your hair to get used to it as well. But if you're somebody who co-washes, you're gonna absolutely love this shampoo. When it comes to the conditioner, everybody's gonna love this. I love the results of this. It hydrated my hair, it conditioned it. You can do it in the shower. You don't have to leave it on for very long. All it says, leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes. It does a very good condition. And then when it comes to the leave-in conditioner, here it is right here. I like the results. Keeps your hair hydrated, plays well. If you're somebody who likes to refresh your hair with only a leave-in conditioner in the morning, this will do the trick, because as I said, it really does help with definition as you apply it onto your hair. I have it in my hair and I have just some gel on it as well, because I needed to add a little bit more gel to my hair this morning. But if you like to refresh with a leave-in, this is going to be perfect. As I said, this is my favorite product and I do like it and I like the results. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed my review and my thoughts on the iWORI product. It's from Namibia and it is an African product. I do think it's a really nice line. It's also priced fairly well, so give it a try. I know you've seen it. Those of you who were at Clicks Curls, you did get the samples. I'm not sure if you can really gauge from the sample size how good the product is, but if you get the full size product, you're really going to enjoy using it. Thank you for joining me guys. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.